I used to see cardamom as nothing more than flavor in coffee. Then one morning after adding 2 crushed pods to warm water, I noticed improved digestion and lighter breathing. Not dramatic, not magical, just subtle changes that made me curious enough to research the science behind it. Scientific insight: cardamom contains antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress. Cardamom is rich in compounds such as cineol and terpenyl acetate. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food explored its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory potential. Oxidative stress is linked to aging and metabolic strain. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, supporting cellular balance rather than creating irreversible reactions. The National Institutes of Health (NIC) explained that plant polyphenols may support cardiovascular and metabolic health when consumed as part of a balanced diet. This does not mean instant transformation. It means gradual support through consistent intake. Digestive support was the first change I felt. Cardamom has traditionally been used to ease bloating. Small human studies suggest it may stimulate digestive enzymes and improve gastric motility. This could explain why 2 pods after a heavy meal sometimes reduce discomfort. The effect is supportive, not extreme. Scientific insight: essential oils may relax intestinal smooth muscle. Another area that caught my attention was blood pressure. A small clinical study published in the Indian Journal of Biochemistry and Biophysics observed improvements in blood pressure markers in adults consuming cardamom daily for several weeks. Researchers suggested antioxidant and mild diuretic effects as possible mechanisms. Results were promising but limited in scale. Larger studies are still needed. Cardamom also contains manganese, a mineral involved in energy metabolism and antioxidant enzyme function. According to NID nutrient data, manganese supports the activity of superoxide dismutase, an important internal antioxidant enzyme. Again, this is supportive physiology, not an irreversible switch. Results vary by person and health status. Cardamom is generally safe in culinary amounts. However, excessive intake may irritate the stomach in sensitive individuals. People with gallstones should be cautious because concentrated extracts might stimulate bile flow. Moderation remains essential. Possible side effects: excess may upset stomach. Consult your doctor before major diet changes. How I include it: I crush 2 green pods and add them to warm water or coffee. Sometimes I mix ground cardamom into oatmeal with nuts. Daily intake stays small, usually less than half a teaspoon of powder. Consistency matters more than quantity. Tracking progress keeps expectations realistic. I monitor digestion comfort, blood pressure readings, and overall energy over weeks, not days. No exaggerated claims, just steady observation. The idea that 2 cardamom pods trigger irreversible body processes sounds dramatic. The truth is more grounded. Regular intake of antioxidant-rich spices may support metabolic balance, digestive comfort, and cardiovascular markers when paired with proper nutrition, sleep, and movement. Like this video if it clarified the truth. Try it mindfully and observe your body. Small habits create lasting strength.